Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
Use the following command to download the Sysdig installation script. Now import the public GPG key to ensure the authenticity and security of the package we are about to install. Now download the Sysdig repository file with the next command. Run the next command to install the Sysdig into your system. Use the following command to verify the installed version. To open the interactive high-level UE, use the following command. If you press F2, you will pull up the View menu, where you can switch between different monitoring perspectives, like processes, RAIDs, and containers. Run the next command to monitor active network connection and traffic in real time. By using the following command, you will capture HTTP requested. Note that data will only appear here if there is active HTTP traffic on the system. To identify which processor hitting the CPU the hardest, use the following command. If you want to see the full list of available chisels, simply use the next command. Finally, use the following command to see what users are typing in their shells. This will stay blank unless there are active users currently executing commands. That's it. Now you have Sysdig installed on your system. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.